Today I'll be changing my cam solenoid seal. I'm looking at the car from the rear. I'll show you exactly what that looks like. On the passenger side, it's above this coil pack that I changed out the other week. And there it is there. I wiped it up when I was in here and the leak came back. So it's a cheap seal, costs around $10. The only thing holding it in place is those two 10mm bolts. And then if you follow this wire around to the back of the engine, you'll see that wire harness comes apart there, and you slide the old seal off. And then make sure you lubricate the new seal with a light coat of oil. Slide it back over that wire and snug up those two 10mm bolts. This is the old seal. Has 144,000 miles on it, I'm guessing. The only tip I can really give you is make sure that if you can, the engine is cold. You give it a little bit of time to cool down, because it was a little bit hot on my fingers and arms trying to reach in there. And I can imagine the electrical connector would be difficult if you don't have it on a lift, because that's on the rear of the engine. And that was a little bit tricky to reach, but having it on the lift, I got it done in about a half hour.